Hey everybody, it's Anthony from E Talley Construction. We make construction easy. We're showing you one of our COVID projects. We call it our COVID project because we started it before COVID and we got it finished. Now it's finished. We're turning it over to the owner in the next day or two. In fact, today it got cleaned yesterday, so we're done. There's nothing else that we need to do. So we just wanted to kind of take a moment and show you what we did and where we are with it. This project here was a renovation project where it was a commercial space. We made it into student housing, and this is the entryway. Soft closing cabinets, even on the medium range cabinetry. There's two bathrooms here. Both bathrooms are brand new bathrooms. Again, it was a commercial space. There wasn't a bathroom here. I don't know how they function without a bathroom, but this one here turned out really well. Colors came out well. We got the plank floor, ran in block. We have the accent piece here, nice subway tile, brighten the space up. You know, it's student housing, but we still try to produce something that is nice and something that people will be happy to rent. So here's a typical space here. I'm not even sure how they're using this, but this is going to be the common area, or if this is going to be a bedroom. But look at the floors. Take a look at these floors. These are vinyl plank floors. They're what you call a luxury vinyl floor, and they take the place of wood. They kind of look like wood, but they're much more durable for housing and rental kind of units. We're stepping by the washer and dryer here. We put a full-size washer and dryer in. So this is just another space. It's all typical. This is student housing. It all looks the same. You know, with the student housing, the room size may vary, but the finishes are the same. Once again, it's Anthony Talley from E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy, showing you one of our COVID projects. Today, we're looking for new subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Like us or give us some comments. We'd love to know what you have in store. Thank you. Take care.